1969 Pontiac Firebird Convertible, listed in Milwaukee, Wisconsin for $16,500. This Firebird is a great candidate for a restoration project, with solid floor pans, trunk, wheel wells, and door sills. It has a rebuilt 350 engine with a mild Edelbrock intake manifold, Holley 4-barrel carburetor, headers, and a 2.5-inch dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. The master cylinder has been replaced, and all 4 brakes have been rebuilt. The body features the original sheet metal with minimal surface rust, though the red paint job is poor, and the interior has been vinyl sprayed black. The power top motor works, but the glass rear window is not attached to the top. It also has a Trans Am-style rear spoiler, a new trunk lid, an extra spoke rim, and the original car jack. The car is a matching numbers vehicle and is being sold by the second owner. The seller has too many projects and doesn't have time to finish this one. Check the link in the description to contact the seller. (1973) Ford Mustang Fastback, listed in Sanford, North Carolina for $15,000. This Mustang is styled to resemble a Mach 1, complete with stripes and the correct parts, though it's not an original Mach 1. Under the hood, it has been upgraded to a 351 Windsor V8 engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission, both of which have been rebuilt. Originally, it came with a 302 V8 and a 2-barrel carburetor, also mated to a C4 automatic. Performance upgrades include a 4-barrel carburetor, aluminum intake, headers, and dual exhaust. It features power steering, power brakes, and front disc brakes for a smooth drive. The car runs well and is a solid daily driver or great show cruiser. The body is overall solid, with some rust on the bottom door corners, and the paint is in poor condition, though the floors and trunk are in good shape. The interior is in good condition and includes a console, AM/FM cassette radio, and a fold-down rear seat. It has good tires and rims. The car underwent a full repaint 25 years ago, and its original color was blue. All gauges are working, and it comes with a clean and clear North Carolina title. (1973) Ford Mustang Mach 1 Coupe, listed in Bedford, Iowa for $14,800. This classic Mach 1 is powered by the Q code 351 Cleveland V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, paired with an automatic transmission. It has around 107,700 miles and runs and drives well. The paint is about 25 years old and has some minor flaws, but the car is still in solid condition overall. It comes equipped with the factory tachometer, gauges, and a working clock. (1962) Ford Fairlane 500, listed in New Freedom, Pennsylvania for $13,200 or best offer. This fully restored Fairlane 500 has 45,000 miles and was completely restored about 5 years ago. The body panels show no rust and the paint is straight, while the frame is solid and the car starts right up. It has a new gas tank, battery, tires, chrome bumpers, and trim. Powered by a 221 V8 engine and paired with a 2-speed Cruise-O-Matic transmission, it runs smoothly. The car did suffer some minor damage when a tree fell on it while in an enclosed trailer. There's a soccer ball-sized dent in the roof and a golf ball-sized dent in the hood, but these could be repaired by a paintless dent repair specialist, improving about 80% of the damage. (1964) Plymouth Valiant Convertible, listed in Mount Vernon, Ohio for $12,700. This classic Valiant features a slant-6 225 engine, rebuilt in the 1980s, and a push-button shifter setup. The car has had numerous new parts installed, including a gas tank sending unit, shocks, transmission mount, rebuilt carburetor, exhaust, alternator, voltage regulator, dual-outlet muffler, record radiator, and a rebuilt steering system, done in 2011. The convertible top was also replaced in 2011, and it operates smoothly. The car has new tires and mostly original upholstery inside, which is in good condition. The history is great, with the car having been garaged for the last 40 years. The factory original power top works, but the radio doesn't work. The carpet is stained and worn, and there are some scratches and cracks in the paint. The heater core has been bypassed. The car comes with a clean Ohio title. The seller is looking for cash only, no trades. (1969) Buick Skylark Coupe, listed in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, for $17,000. This Skylark is powered by a 350 Chevy motor with a Sniper EFI system for smooth performance. It features ceramic-coated long-tube headers, a new TCI Turbo 350 transmission with a stall converter, and a B&M Mega Ratchet shifter. The rear end is a 12-bolt for added strength, and it's equipped with new front disc brakes, including drilled and slotted rotors. The suspension has been upgraded with Eibach springs and KYB shocks all around. It rolls on new Keystone Classic wheels with BF Goodrich tires and is kept cool with electric cooling fans. The car also has a new battery. It comes with a clean title. (1970) Chevrolet Impala, listed in Newport, Tennessee, for $19,000. This impressive Impala is powered by a 3.8 three-stroker engine with aluminum heads, and the build sheet is available for review. It's equipped with a Holley 750 Brawler carburetor and a Turbo 350 three-speed transmission with a Hurst shifter. The drivetrain features 373 gears, a 3500 stall converter, and a 12-bolt rear end. Mechanically, it has been fully rebuilt from front to back, with new suspension, exhaust, engine, transmission, weather stripping, and interior parts. The car rolls on rally wheels with staggered sizes, 8 inches up front and 10 inches in the rear. The body is solid overall, with only minor spots on the passenger rear side. While the paint shows some wear, it has a nice patina look. Extras include factory air conditioning, with all parts included in the trunk. The speedometer needs to be connected, but otherwise the car runs strong and drives well. It comes with a clean and clear Tennessee title. (1965) Ford Mustang, listed in Romeo, Michigan, for $8,700. This classic pony car is powered by its factory 289 V8 engine C-code paired with an automatic transmission. It has around 95,000 miles on it and still runs, drives, and stops as it should. While it's not a show car, it's a solid start for a project or can be enjoyed as is. The body has some rust and Bondo, but nothing too serious. Definitely not Swiss cheese. Everything works, and it's backed by a clear Michigan title. The seller isn't looking for trades at this time. (1962) Ford Falcon, listed in Ravenna, Ohio, for $6,000. This classic Falcon has only 42,000 original miles and is powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission and column shifter. It runs and drives very well, making it a dependable ride. The interior is brand new, including the carpet, and it features a retro sound AM/FM MP3 radio with new speakers for a great listening experience. Everything works as it should, though the car is starting to show a few rust spots. Some extra items are also included with the car. (1969) Ford Torino GT, listed in Limestone, Tennessee, for $5,500. This Torino GT is powered by a 351 Windsor V8 engine with a 3-speed automatic transmission and power steering. It runs, drives, and stops as it should. The brakes are all new, and the car currently runs off a fuel cell in the trunk. The body has some rust, but nothing structural, and the previous owners patched the floor and trunk. The odometer shows 45,000 miles, and the car sat in a Georgia barn for 37 years before being brought back to life. The seller originally bought it to restore, but has found a better car, so it's up for sale.